Today, we're diving into a super helpful topic: how to add your spouse to your Huntington Bank account. Whether you're planning to manage your finances together or just want them to have access, I've got you covered. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Huntington Bank online banking account. If you don't have an account yet, be sure to create one, as this will make the process much easier. Once you're logged in, look for the Account Services tab. Click on that, and then select Add Authorized User. This is where you can add your spouse as an authorized user on your account. You'll need to fill out some basic information about your spouse, such as their name, date of birth, and social security number, so have that handy. Make sure all the information is accurate to avoid any delays. After submitting, Huntington Bank will review the request. You can expect to see your spouse added as an authorized user fairly quickly, sometimes even the same day. And that's it. It's a pretty simple process. If you have any questions or run into issues, don't hesitate to contact Huntington's customer service for assistance.